Right, so welcome everyone from the ship. I've already forgotten what cruise ship you're on, but welcome to the tramway. My name is Gordon, and do remember this is a day pass ticket, so until you need to go back to the port to get back on the boat, you can jump on and off the tram anytime you like. Cashel Street here, largely rebuilt after the Christchurch earthquake. Over 95% of these buildings are brand new since the earthquake, and one of the very few that survived is the big famous department store coming up on the right called Ballantyne's. That is the oldest and best known retail business in Christchurch. Ballantyne's has been owned by the Ballantyne family and still is since about 1871. That is the local version of a very high-class department store. Up to number 5 we come. This is a very short walk to the bus exchange. The people going to the gondola later on, it's just one block up there to the central bus station. You need to get the number 28 metro bus to go to Littleton. Stop number 5. Across over Colombo Street there, it's a very short roll down to stop 6 up here on the corner of High Street. Popular shopping area for all sorts of reasons. If you need to find some groceries or a supermarket, there's a very good one down Market Lane here on the right. And the other thing on this corner is the very popular European brand H&M. So I'm sure most of you know that 12 years ago, Christchurch suffered this major 6.3 earthquake, which basically destroyed the central city. And we're passing on the left here as we approach stop 8. The remains of one of the buildings that did not survive, the 13-storey Holiday Inn. The mountain in the distance, Mount Cavendish, that's where the cable car is. You can see the top building up the top there. That gives you lovely views over the harbour where the cruise boat is, and all over the Canterbury Plains towards the mountains. People down to stop number 7, but unfortunately not going there at the moment. Stop 7 is out of action with a track fault, so we're now stopping one stop short and reversing here at stop number 8. Right, so as we are going to go that way, what you need to do now is you need to stand up off your seat and do that. Little hotel, the Muse, that's a new hotel converted out of a 1950s office building that somehow survived the earthquake. And if you look up the top, there are some palm trees on the roof. That's a place you could get lunch or a few drinks. It's called the Pink Lady Bar and Restaurant. I do encourage you also to go and have a look at the library, Tauranga. That's the most spectacular and largest public library in the South Island. Right, rolling into the square again, stop number 2. When we leave here this time, we're doing the opposite bit of the tramway, stops 10 to 18. Cruise ship passengers joined us, and now we do the right-hand loop, and this will take you past several attractions like the Christchurch Art Gallery, the beautiful Botanic Gardens, And over at stop 16, a place called Quake City, which is the official earthquake museum. Big green building here, this is a former hotel, the old Bridges Hotel. That building has been empty and derelict now for 12 years since the earthquake happened, and quite unbelievably the owners of that hotel building only 4 months ago received insurance settlements. Onto the top of the Worcester Street Bridge at the Avon Otakaro River. This is stop number 10. Very attractive spring. This is a day pass ticket. We've got separate seats, one in front and one halfway down. You're also welcome to stand out the back if you don't want us to put it together. So the main waterway through Christchurch, the Avon, about 28 kilometres long, and comes up from the ground in the suburb of Avonhead from natural springs and drains out to the Pacific Ocean on the eastern side of the city. First of the big attractions is this large grey building with colourful writing, Te Puna o Whai Whetū, the excellent City Art Gallery. There is a $500 million collection of artwork in there. It's all free to view and it'll be open till 5. If you're not just going to the art gallery, you can still jump off here if you want to and get yourself a nice morning coffee or a late breakfast at either Fiddlesticks on the left or the Thirsty Peacock over there. Stop number 11. Yes. Come down to stop 12, the lovely old turreted building here dates back to 1881. As you can see, it's full of shops and galleries, as are most of the other buildings here. And this is stop 12.